Hi there, hi bebe. Minasaki Sensei invited us in one of NPO groups in Japan, on which this event they study about the different types of food or cooking in Asia country. Sheena and I decided to cook chicken adobo and macaroni salad.
シェナと申します。フィリピンから参ります。
ダバオですよ。
フィリピンのダバオから参ります。フィリピンの島です。
南の方ですね。
一番下の方です。一番最後の方のフィリピンの部分です。今日の料理はチキンアドボです。チキンアドボというのはお母さんの料理みたいです。鶏肉と醤油、甘さで酸っぱいもある、なんかいろいろ入ってる感じです。で、マカロニサラダは例えばお祭りとかお誕生日とか特別な日、これもクリスマスとかこれいつも作るんです。なんか集まってでご家族がいる時にそれも食べます。マカロニサラダは甘いですね。フルーツも入ってる感じ。
これは甘いんだよ、サラダだよ。
じゃあ今日も楽しみです。よろしくお願いします。トミーさんは
サビはシェナさんは日本語でだから私英語で。We are from the Philippines. I am from Laguna, near in Manila. 2 hours from Manila, and
slowly speak slowly.
じゃあtoday's menu is chicken adobo. Chicken adobo is the very famous variant in the Philippines. Everyone in the Philippines we cook this one almost not every day but almost every week there is menu in our place. This is the most famous food in our place. And then macaroni salad is like what Sheena said, for celebration, Christmas, New Year's, birthday, christening, when newborn babies was born. So we cook this. We cook this very special occasion. We cook this. In other countries, there's fruit salad. Iro-iro no kodamono iro. Demo sa in Philippines, we put macaroni instead. Philippines is a very not rich country. That's why we intend to use the cheap one. The macaroni is cheap one than fruits. That's why we use macaroni as salad. So that's お願いします。
ちっちゃい。そうちっちゃい。これ大丈夫。もまれにだから。
So as we slices and cut ingredients, we have to divide it into 3 because they will also cook at the same time as we cook. We suddenly became a teacher in no time, a chef in no time, instantly. So why adobo in so many variety of variants in Filipino food? Well, aside from the fact that it's easy and the simplest form of cooking in our Filipino household, it is also for the Japanese people to know why we have adobo, why we cook adobo. Why? Because making adobo is cheap. The ingredients are so few. And with a simple step, Biola, you have adobo. Filipinos will never stop cooking and eating adobo. Why stopping when we all know that adobo can stay for very long time without spoiling? And the longer it stays, the more delicious it becomes. We Filipinos know that. So nobody get tired in cooking adobo. Nobody will stop eating adobo.
このまま入れない後で使うから後で使うからはい真剣だってはいこれだ油はいらないはいチキンだけですこれ後で使うから一番最後にはい
強火。
これも
ファイヤー。
ファイヤーは真ん中ぐらいで真ん中ぐらい
And we start doing the macaroni. Macaroni salad is just a mix thing to do, you know.
次はミルクコンデンスミルク入れちゃいますじゃあミックスから横に
And then the taste test begin. Oh my!